Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about classes. A class is a blueprint that packages properties and functions into a single object. Think of it as a blueprint with which you can create multiple objects. For example, with a house blueprint you can create multiple houses, and with a car blueprint you can create multiple cars. Step 1. Create a file called classes.py, and in line 1, type class person : in line 2, type def underscore init underscore self.name age, and in line 3, type self.name is equal to name, and in line 4, type self.age is equal to age. Self is an argument that is used to point to the current particular object you are referring to, and init is a special method that is required to initialize all values for objects when they're created. Step 2. In line 5, type def get underscore name self : and in line 6, type return self.name. In line 7, type def get underscore age self : and in line 8, type return self.age. Step 3. In line 9, type def say underscore hi self : and in line 10, type return open quotes hi my name is plus self.name plus and I am plus string self.name plus years old. Step 4. In line 11, type Jack is equal to person, open quotes, Jack 12, and in line 12, type Elvis is equal to person, Elvis 42. Step 5. In line 13, type print jack.getName, open parentheses, close parentheses. Line 14, type print elvis.getName, open parentheses, close parentheses. And in line 15, type print jack.sayhi, open parentheses, close parentheses. Step 6. Set a breakpoint in line 6 and line 8, and then run the file. When the breakpoint is triggered, expand the local window and see what object the self keyword is referring to. Click Continue to go to the next breakpoint. The code is available in a link in the description below. Congratulations, you have learned about classes. For your homework, create another function called setAge for the person class that sets the person's age to a specified number that you pass into the function. You can also set the age of an object directly by using the dot notation such as dak.age is equal to 22. But why might that not be a good idea?